breaking the wall of SDGs investment gap. I call to the stage Mr. Ali Niazi from the University of Cambridge.
SDGs investment gap. Initially estimated at $2.5 trillion, the gap has now escalated to $4 trillion due to the pandemic. That's nearly 3 times the UK's total public expenditure last year, or over 300 times the combined bilateral humanitarian aid commitment to Ukraine until this February. Government and NGOs face limitations in bridging this gap, requiring private investors to step in. But there is a barrier. Aligning financial interests of private investors with SDGs introduces complexity and ambiguity into decision making. Imagine yourself as an investor tasked with choosing either of these 2 projects. Seems easy. But what if project B transfers? Suddenly the decision making becomes more challenging. Adding other projects with multitude of considerations make building portfolio a complex puzzle. Our solution provides an innovative framework that seamlessly integrates financial and impact considerations. Firstly, independent experts conduct due diligence, evaluating not only the financial aspects, but also the breadth and depth of impact for each investment, and also identify the relative social preferences of each investor. By considering insights from behavioral science, we then assess investors' willingness to sacrifice some part of their financial return for social impact, and also the utility investors yield from aligning their investment with SDGs. At the heart of our breakthrough solutions, we combine the traditional portfolio optimization method with multi-criteria decision-making approach. This empowers us to prioritize projects based on their financial viability, and also the utility investors yield from aligning their investment with social preferences. Last but not least, to embrace the complexity of considering numerous criteria and diverse stakeholders' views, we employ machine learning and AI, which allows us to develop a human-like decision-making framework tailored to each investor's preferences. Thank you. So,
any questions?
Sure.
Please.
Great idea, but how would you start? How would you actually get it off the ground?
We are now in the finalizing research plan with considering